Hello everyone. Question is, a data engineer wants to create a relational object by pulling data from two tables. The relational object must be used by other data engineers in other sessions. In order to save on storage costs, the data engineer wants to avoid copying and storing physical data. Which of the following relational objects should the data engineer create? Option A, view. Option B, temporary view. Option C, delta table. Option D, database. Option E, Spark SQL table. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a data engineering team has created a series of tables using Parquet data stored in an external system. The team is noticing that after appending new rows to the data in the external system, their queries within Databricks are not returning the new rows. They identify the caching of the previous data as the cause of this issue. Which of the following approaches will ensure that the data returned by queries is always up to date? Option A, the tables should be converted to the delta format. Option B, the tables should be stored in a cloud-based external system. Option C, the tables should be refreshed in the writing cluster before the next query is run. Option D, the tables should be altered to include metadata to not cache. Option E, the tables should be updated before the next query is run. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a table customer locations exist with the following schema. A senior data engineer wants to create a new table from this table using the following command. A junior data engineer asks why the schema is not being declared for the new table. Which of the following responses explains why declaring the schema is not necessary? Option A, create table as select statements adopt schema details from the source table and query. Option B, create table as select statements infer the schema by scanning the data. Option C, create table as select statements results in tables where schemas are optional. Option D, create table as select statements assign all columns the type string. Option E, create table as select statements result in the tables that do not support schemas. Question is, a data engineer is overwriting data in a table by deleting the table and recreating the table. Another data engineer suggests that this is inefficient and the table should simply be overwritten instead. Which of the following reasons to overwrite the table instead of deleting and recreating the table is incorrect? Option A, overwriting a table is efficient because no files need to be deleted. Option B, overwriting a table results in a clean table history for logging and audit processes. Option C, overwriting a table maintains the old version of the table for time travel. Option D, overwriting a table is an atomic operation and will not leave the table in an unfinished state. Option E, overwriting a table allows for concurrent queries to be completed while in progress. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following commands will return records from an existing delta table my_table where duplicates have been removed? Please see the options. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.